स्वर्ग भने नि हुन्छ रारा स्वर्ग त्यति राम्रो छ तपाईँ त्यहाँ रारा जानुभयो भने मान्छेहरू गएर एकचोटि मात्रै हेर्छन् एकै ठाउँबाट हेरेर आउँछन् त्यो त पुरै तपाईँको 5 घण्टा लाग्छ वरिपरि पुरै घुम्नलाई 5 घण्टा लाग्छ त्यसपछि पुरै घुम्न भयो भने बल्ल रारा के रहेछ भन्ने थाहा हुन्छ
December 25th, 2018, the day when we began our 11 days long motorcycle road trip from Kathmandu to Rara, the biggest and one of the most beautiful lakes in Nepal. We started our trip from Kathmandu and finally we are here at Dulal. Next day, we headed towards Surkhet. As we went further in our journey towards the hilly region of Nepal, the landscape started to take our breaths away, and we were doing our best to capture them all along. Everything was going well up until it's day 4 and we are here at Palidara. Yesterday we headed from Surkhet with the aim of reaching to Manma. Because of a small accident, one of our teammate has to go back. Sadly, he won't be able to go to Rara, which is where we are headed. Our first stop will be in Manma. It's 1 in the afternoon and we are at Kalikot, Manma, and now it's...
No, he's lying.
The roads of hilly region in Nepal aren't very friendly. The journey was already getting pretty difficult and challenging without one of our team member. Despite the difficulties, we somehow managed to reach the lake by 10 p.m. on the 5th day, but with some consequences. We are finally here. We had a little bit of situation, as you can see from my hand. So this is my right hand fully functioning and this is my left hand slightly open. It was around 5 p.m. on day 5 and we were only 25 kilometers away from our destination. All of us were excited and were riding down while enjoying the view of sunlit golden mountains. I stopped to take some photographs. Got a little behind but was still riding looking at those mountains. And all of a sudden I lost control over my bike and fell uncontrollably while sliding to the edge of the road, only not to fall off hundreds of meters below. It was nerve-wracking at first, but while facing some of mankind's deepest fears and realizing how fragile life can be, I was somehow able to get a hold of myself, calm myself down, pick the bike up and get back onto the road. That night, when we reached the lake, I saw the most beautiful piece of sky that I had ever seen in my life. I guess that's why we travel. Not only to just explore the world outside us, but also to take a look into the abyss inside us. To get a little scared at first, but eventually overcome those fears in order to enjoy this thing we call life. Our zeal to experience all these feelings on our own surpasses what we have been told by others. I think that's why we travel. Day 8, our last day at Rara, and we stopped over here at this place to capture some last memories with this lake. And this is Rara, my friends. Thank you guys for watching my journey till the end of this video. It means a lot to me. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any thoughts regarding this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell. You guys know all that YouTube stuff. I also got a couple of more travel videos, kind of like this one, coming soon. Hope you guys will enjoy them as well. So until next time,